few weeks ago, my hallway lights turned on at 3 in the morning. Nothing was broken, no error, no crash. Home Assistant just did it, and it couldn't tell me why. And that bugged me because Home Assistant actually records a full trace of every automation it runs. It just never lets you see it. And this isn't some niche hobby problem. Over 2 million homes run on Home Assistant. Every one of them has automations, and when one misbehaves, you are basically on your own. Its built-in trace view shows you cryptic paths like conditions, 0 conditions, 1. You can't scroll it, you can't click it, and it only keeps the last 5 runs. So the one you actually need is usually already gone. People have literally asked for a way to export these traces into real observability tools. Nobody built it, so I did. This is Home APM. It's a small Python sidecar that grabs each automation's raw trace, rebuilds it into an OpenTelemetry span tree, and ships it to SigNoz, the open source OpenTelemetry native observability platform. The result: every automation run becomes a real flame graph. Your house as a distributed trace. Here's the part I'm proud of. Home Assistant doesn't hand you a tree, it hands you a flat dictionary, keyed by these node paths. The whole trick is rebuilding the tree from those strings, working out which step lives inside which branch, handling parallel blocks that genuinely overlap in time, and repeat loops that show up as a list under a single key. And that construction is one pure function, no network, no side effects, which means I can test it offline against real recorded traces, 68 of those tests all passing. So let's actually look. Here's that 3 AM run in SigNoz. Instead of a cryptic path, it's named waterfall. And right away you can see the choose branch that fired when it shouldn't have. Here's my morning routine, one single step, a wait, eating 49 seconds. Completely invisible in Home Assistant, obvious here. And this is my good night automation, a parallel block with overlapping bars, a repeat loop as tagged iterations, and a red error span. A template that divided by 0, every log line carries its trace ID, so a log and its flame graph are one click apart. That's a dashboard with plain English panels, a live service map of whole house, and alerts, which route back into Home Assistant as a notification, observability that tells the house about itself. I also built a front end for it. You can ask your house a question in plain English: why is my morning routine slow? And it answers in one sentence, grounded in real trace data, and drops you straight onto the flame graph. And the best part, it's live right now in your browser, no install, no key, the exact same reconstruction you just saw, running on real recorded traces. And the whole thing stalls with a single command through Foundry, SigNoz, a seeded demo house, and the sidecar all at once. So you can reproduce every single thing I just showed you. Home Assistant always had these traces, it just never let anyone see them. Now it does. Give your house an APM.